Living Room 2025. Home Interior Design. Welcome to the future of home interiors. If you're ready to transform your living room into a stunning space that balances modern aesthetics with comfort and practicality, then 2025 is the year to do it. This year's trends in living room designs take a bold leap forward, offering fresh, innovative ideas that blend technology, sustainability, and luxury. Think minimalistic lines paired with organic materials, smart furniture solutions, and color palettes that inspire serenity and sophistication. Whether you're redesigning from scratch or simply looking for a few key updates, these modern living room ideas will elevate your space to new heights of style and function. In 2025, modern living room designs are defined by a seamless blend of the natural world and cutting-edge technology. We're seeing a shift towards biophilic design. Think indoor plants, natural light, and sustainable materials like reclaimed wood, stone, and eco-friendly textiles. This integration of nature helps to create a calming, grounded atmosphere, even in the most high-tech homes. Expect to see more living walls, large windows that let the outdoors in, and furniture made from renewable resources. At the same time, smart home technology is becoming a staple, with intelligent lighting, automated window shades, and voice-controlled entertainment systems that make living spaces more functional and enjoyable. Color schemes are another essential element in 2025's living room design trends. Gone are the days of stark, all-white interiors. This year, we embrace a more inviting, warmer approach, with earthy tones like terracotta, muted greens, and soft browns taking center stage. These colors, inspired by nature, create a sense of tranquility and warmth, while still maintaining that sleek, modern edge. Accent colors such as deep blues, rust reds, or metallics like brushed gold and copper add depth and sophistication to the space. You can experiment with layered textures like velvet, wool, and woven fabrics to create an environment that feels both stylish and comfortable. Furniture design is also evolving in 2025, with a focus on versatility and sustainability. Modular sofas and multifunctional pieces are becoming increasingly popular, as they allow for more flexibility in how the living room is used. Whether it's a sectional that can be rearranged for different occasions or a coffee table that doubles as storage, functionality is key. Clean lines and simple shapes dominate, but comfort remains a priority, with plush cushions and ergonomic designs making the living room a true sanctuary for relaxation. Look out for furniture that combines natural materials with modern details, like sleek metal frames with wooden accents or glass and stone combinations that add a touch of elegance. Lighting plays a pivotal role in 2025's modern living room designs. Expect to see more statement lighting pieces that double as art installations. Think oversized pendant lights, sculptural floor lamps, and chandeliers with unique geometric shapes. LED technology allows for innovative designs, such as adjustable color temperatures and energy-efficient solutions that can be controlled via smart home systems. Layered lighting is another trend to watch, with a combination of ambient, task, and accent lighting creating a dynamic and inviting atmosphere. If you're loving these design ideas so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Like this video and leave a comment below about which of these trends you'd love to see in your living room. We love hearing your thoughts and ideas. When it comes to living room layouts, 2025 is all about open, flexible spaces. As more homes adopt an open-plan concept, the living room is increasingly integrated with the kitchen and dining areas, creating a multifunctional space where families can gather, entertain, and relax. Zoning becomes essential with the use of rugs, furniture arrangements, and decorative screens to define different areas within the room. This open concept design allows for better flow and encourages a more communal and social atmosphere, perfect for both everyday living and entertaining guests. Sustainability continues to be a major theme in home design, and 2025 is no exception. From furniture made with recycled materials to energy-efficient appliances and eco-friendly paints, there's a growing emphasis on creating spaces that are both stylish and environmentally responsible. Green living is more than just a trend, it's a lifestyle, and the modern living room of 2025 reflects this ethos in every detail. As we look ahead to the future of interior design, one thing is clear. The modern living room of 2025 is a space that harmonizes beauty, technology, and sustainability. Whether you're drawn to sleek, minimalistic styles or prefer a more eclectic, nature-inspired aesthetic, there's a trend for everyone. The key is to create a space that not only looks beautiful but also functions as a comfortable, inviting retreat from the outside world. So, as you think about your own living room and how to incorporate these exciting 2025 design trends, remember that the most important element is making it your own. Personal touches, whether it's a piece of artwork you love or a unique family heirloom, are what make a house feel like a home.